So I'm at Darien Lake.
Now this Ferris wheel you're looking at in front of us.
Yes, I know.
Was built in 1982.
Okay.
For the world's
I can't believe Alpaca's right here and don't know where she is. Okay. Where's Alpaca? Oh. Alpaca's not here. She loves playing this game. Okay. So, oh, that's the ride where it goes up. Oh, claw machines. Oh. Okay. The Viper. Alpaca is scared of going on the Viper. It's so funny. Oh, Rolling Thunder is the cute. All right. Thunder Rapper. Oh, the tiny electro drop. Okay. Okay, Alpaca, I'm coming for you. Hello? Alpaca! Oh, Alpaca's not here. That game must be Bottles and Rings. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm at Darien Lake right now. Oh, there's a cafe! Silly Viper. It's going crazy all over the park! Ice cream! I love ice cream. Oh. I bet that must be Among Us. Crewmates, plushies. Oh, Hornet's Nets. I ride that ride when I was a little girl. Oh, that's not crewmates. That's monkeys. I mean, gorillas. Oh my god. A giant alligator. And oh my god, that's a lot of prizes to win. Oh! Oh, Moose on the Loose. I ride that when I was little too. Oh, Tance. Oh! Okay, I'm looking for Alpaca. But where is she? Okay. Okay, Alpaca. Alpaca. Alpaca, I'm not fooling on you. Where are you? You're a Canadian rapper. Where are you? Okay. I was looking for alpaca. Oh. Oh, she loves this game too. But where is she? Oh, the Christmas ride? Oh. Jingle, jingle, jingle. Oh. Oh, the Superman roller coaster. Jacob has been there before. Oh, silly coaster. Monkey! Okay. Oh, alpaca. Oh, that's like. Oh, the water slide. The water coaster. I love it. Alpaca is scared. And her seat is too tight. That's so spooky. And she's like, I want to go on the front. Oh, that ride. I love that ride too. Oh. And the giant reel. Okay. Yeah. All the kids are coming. Oh, that swing ride. I still love it. And I must do something. Where is Alpaca? Alpaca! Hey! Where are you? Oh, the baby. Tower light. I think that is the boat light, I guess. Oh my god, here it comes! Big splash! Ah! It wet the people! The wheel is moving again. That is a giant lighthouse. Oh, I bet that's a tractor or something. I bet that's a adventure truck or a jungle truck. Okay. Oh my god. The Kitty Misercross. It's so funny. I think I'm gonna laugh. Whack-a-mole? Oh, gift shops? Oh, that's the game of the ring in the bottles. Oh my god. You take a ring and throw it in a bottle. That is so adorable.